Officer,
Check that one out.
can you explain me how is this happening?
No idea, man.
Did you saw on your life like that somewhere?
I've never seen it like
Me
that.
too.
Never seen it.
I dropped the trailers. I don't know how many times I took the trailer, and this place probably they needed to renew everything probably here. So I will call for my dispatch to tell them. They will laughing probably.
Probably.
What is your name?
Officer Purgy.
Purgy. We are here in Kansas. It's a beautiful day. I was been on the aircraft museum to visit it, also in National Guard over there. But I was stopped there. I not dropped the truck. I was being on National Guard, and he told me to arrive here. He told me for this parking here, but I didn't know for this.